I've put a layer of tack it over and over, neat tack it over and over, not a diluted one, on this stencil. I've only done it with the one layer. If you really want a solid effect from this, you might want to give it 2 layers just to make sure you haven't missed anywhere. Most of the time you can see where the glue is. If you tilt it up, you might be able to see any bits you've missed. Demonstration purposes, I'm not going to bother to do it twice. Now, again, what you need is a piece of card, your stencil. What I would suggest, because you don't want to touch it by the edges if you can possibly manage it, is make sure that your card is oversized, and then you can cut it down afterwards, so you can do like that and then pick it up. It is stuck down as it should be. I've got some powder on there now. Let's wipe that off. So this is going to go through my embossing machine just with the usual pressure that I would use to get something embossed, and that depends on your machine and what layers you're using. But I'm going to do that and come back. Okay, it's been through the embossing machine. I've not done anything else to it. Now let me stress, for those who skip bits during videos, and I know there are quite a lot of you, that you want to make sure the glue is dry before you do this, okay? So don't do it with your wet glue. Make sure your glue is dried off, and it works with tack it over and over. I have no idea if it works with other glues. Now you can tell from the way that is coming up that it is being pretty sticky. Now I didn't clean off my stencil, which is why I got black marks on it. That's my bad. I'm not going to show that much by the time I've finished. This stencil now, no glue on it. None. Not sticky in the slightest. So if you do just want to clean your stencil off, that's definitely one way of doing it. I'm just going to switch my fan off, because otherwise I'm going to have powder blowing everywhere, and I really do not want that. So turn this over, put it on there, and apply some colour. Oh, I didn't have that black mark there, but never mind. So it is demonstration, and I'm just going to do some random colours. Here I'm not going to be doing anything specific. You can drop it on, tap it on, brush it on, whatever you like. Teal. I can see me going through a lot of this teal. I love this colour. Bronze, purple, that sounds interesting. Can always add more powder, can't easily take it away, so you don't want to waste it. Now you can rub your brush off on a little cloth if you need to clean it up. So a bit of pink in here, a bit of pink in there. Now if you need to, you can leave this to dry for a few minutes, or if you just want to. I always think it's a good idea to leave things to dry off a bit, but I sometimes don't have the patience to wait. But you get the idea. Glue has transferred from your stencil to the card and is giving you the reverse of what you would normally get. Bigger brush to dust off. I'm going to do this over my bin. And doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? Discovered by mistake. I don't know if anyone else has ever tried doing it or discovered the same thing by mistake, but this is the sort of thing I love doing. Playing around and finding things that I didn't know I could do. See you soon.